Vidyaramb Integrated Preschool, the right beginning for your child's education.
Kid Magil Mitra to tell us a story. Let's welcome Magil Mitra. Now we request our psychologist Divya ma'am to give a short speech. And let's welcome her.
Learning phase is not the university studies. It's the age between 0 to 6 years. It is famous quotes of the educationist Dr. Maria Montessori. I would like to start the speech. I am JC Divya Bala, psychologist for WIPS Integrated School. Okay, so we all know what is psychology. Psychology is just the study, the scientific study of human mind and behavior. While a child psychology also involves, but since we cannot understand the child better, so through the child's interaction with himself, with the parents, with the family members, and with the social, with his friends outside, it is able to understand the child psychology. It involves his physical, mental, emotional, and social growth. Okay, so why is it important? It is very important to understand the child better. First, we have to create a strong bond to understand the child. Only if we understand, then we can know what his interests are, what he likes, what he doesn't like. between these 0 to 6 years, if we teach them, it is a high probability that the child will really develop these skills at a very young age and can apply in their own adult life. And also a routine, a daily routine, a morning routine or evening routine or a night routine. When we give that to the child at the same age, 0 to 6 years, at high probability that he will have a very normal routine at the very young age, and he will have other things to prioritize and only to think about the basic skills which he has to do. So it is very important, the 0 to 6 years, that the child learns all of these routine. So I would like to share a few tips to understand the child better. It's just have a together time. Have spend more time together with your children. That is the only key to understand them better. It's like if you spend more time in the sense, it's not only sit and talk something. You can share your responsibilities from like gardening, watering or cleaning the car. Some kind of small activities you can share your responsibilities and have your time together, with which you can understand and spend more good experience with them. And you have to talk, more talk. That is very important with them. And you have to listen to what they say. We have to listen to what they say. Because when we listen, we can understand the child whether he is happy, stressed or anxious. So when we talk more, we can listen more from them. So the more we listen from them, it is easier to understand them better. So and also, we will know the likes and dislikes. Give them more opportunity to learn new skills. Like say, for every 6 months, teach them new skills and understand their likes, what they like, what they don't like. The child will really, if he really likes that skill, he will really do that again and again, and he will be willing to do that skill again, to go to the class again. But if he is disinterested, he would not agree to go there again. So by this we can understand his likes and dislikes. And focused attention. So focused attention is what most important thing. Excuse really helpful for them. So in the center என்னன்னு பார்த்தோம்னா they are high professionals, highly trained professionals. They will do assessment for the child. சைல்டுக்கு வந்து அசஸ்மெண்ட் பண்ணுவாங்க. அசஸ்மெண்ட் பண்ணிட்டு அவங்களுக்கு ஒரு செஷன்ஸ் கஸ்டமைஸ்டு செஷன்ஸ் நடத்துவாங்க அவங்களுக்கு. ஸோ அந்த மாதிரி செஷன்ஸ் நடத்தும் போது எங்கே அந்த டெவலப்மெண்டல் டிலே இருக்கோ அந்த டிலேயை பார்த்து அவங்க ஸ்டிமுலேட் பண்ணி அவங்க வந்து நார்மல் மோடுக்கு கொண்டு வருவாங்க. ஸோ அந்த பிஹேவியர் இஷ்யூஸ் எல்லாமே இந்த மூலியமாக செய்யும் போது இட் ரியலி ஒர்க்ஸ் அவுட் வெரி வெல். ஏன்னா இந்த 0 to 6 இயர்ஸில் கண்டுபிடிக்கப்பட்டால் அதை ஃபாஸ்ட் நம்ம ஏர்லி இன்டர்வென்ஷன் கொடுத்தோன்னா அந்த ஹை சான்சஸ் the child can recover very well. So it is very important. எவ்வளோ சீக்கிரம் ஒரு டயக்னோசிஸ் நம்ம பண்ணுறோமோ அவ்வளோ சீக்கிரம் the child will be helped out. ஸோ இந்த மாதிரி மிஸ்பிஹேவியர்ஸ் இருக்கும்போது இருக்குது அப்படின்னா you can just contact WIP school for more details. There are some centers in cosmopolitan cities which we can help out.